Hello everybody, this is Tom Lowe, President of Round 2. How's it going? I want to thank you for attending the virtual toy fair again this year. Unfortunately, we couldn't make it to New York or to Germany for the toy fairs, and we all know why. Hopefully next year it'll return to normal. Round 2 had a really great year in 2021. I'm looking forward to another great year, 2022. Our biggest issues, as we all know, was the huge problem with transportation costs, which we've done our best to keep our pricing as low as possible. But as you know, we've had to have some surcharges and also some price increases as our transportation costs in 2021 went from approximately $3,000 to $4,000 per container up to sometimes we paid up to $30,000 per container, which was a real issue. But hopefully container prices will go down in the third, fourth quarter of 2022, and things will get back to normal. So keep your fingers crossed for that. But yeah, we have another great product line for 2022. It's pretty amazing. We're just doing a really super job here at Round 2, making all these awesome collectibles. And I want to thank everybody for your support. It's been really amazing. We had a really fantastic year in 2021. So I'm going to introduce Chad, and he's going to take it from there, and he's going to introduce the product designers to go through the model kit line, the slot car line, and die-cast lines. So thanks again for all your support, and look forward to a great 2022.
Thanks everybody, I'm Chad with Round 2. I do the marketing here, and we'll be going through to introduce you guys to all the product lines. We'll have a section here talking about the model kits, our new sci-fi stuff coming out, all the cars that we've got in model kits. 164th and 118 diecast we'll be doing with Tony Karamitsos, our brand manager here, as well as all of our slot car lines. So there's a lot of great stuff coming for 2022. Stick around, we'll show it to you.